Hello, Crypto Curious. Reliance has launched its own cryptocurrency, GeoCoin. Well, from this, what I understand, while the ease of doing businesses, which is our Prime Minister's punchline, may or may not apply to the common businessman, it certainly applies to Ambani's. The launch of GeoCoin makes it very clear that cryptocurrency related policies will now become more favorable in India. Well, currently GeoCoin is not available for trading, but you can generate it for free and redeem it for purchase like products of Reliance like Geo Groceries, Geo Petrol, Geo Recharge, etc. I have already generated some coins, yeah. So, in the future, these coins will become tradable and we might be able to sell them too. I'm saying this because it comes with a wallet address, which means it can be transferred. If you want to learn more about GeoCoin, stay connected with me. Today, I will talk about GeoCoin and also show you how to get it for free. So if you're excited, don't forget to like this video. My very first question to you. Whether Reliance has launched GeoCoin or GeoToken, you will say GeoCoin, but you are wrong. It is GeoToken, a cryptocurrency that operates on its own independent blockchain like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Tron. It's called coin. But if a digital asset is built on an existing blockchain, it is called as token. Geo digital asset doesn't have its own blockchain. It is based on Polygon blockchain. So it is GeoToken and not coin. In layman's language, we call both coin and token as coin. So no worries. In this entire video, I will refer it as coin. Reliance entering the crypto market is positive news for the entire crypto industry. As soon as GeoCoin was launched, the entire crypto market saw a bull run. First, let's understand what GeoCoin is and how Reliance has launched its browser, Geosphere, some time back, but it doesn't get popular. So now, by making browsing on Geosphere rewarding, company is trying to popularize this browser. By using Geosphere browser, you can generate GeoCoins. In other words, Ambani wants us to stop using Google Chrome and switch to Geosphere. When a new coin is launched, a community needs to be built because liquidity depends upon the community. That's why free coins are being distributed to build the community. And who better than Geo can build a massive community? With 45 crore Geo users in India, even if 2% of the people accumulates coin, it will create a community of 1 crore. After that, Ambani will likely do a grand launch, that is an initial coin offering, ICO. Then it will be listed on crypto exchanges and you will be able to buy, sell and trade it. Similarly, there are some other projects also who are distributing their coin free to build their community. And there is absolutely no harm in accumulating these free coin because we may earn massive if it gets listed. I will share the detail of such coin and link to get free coins in the description box. Big names like Ambani, Elon Musk, Donald Trump and Mark Zuckerberg all are positive about crypto. So it seems the bull run will continue. Now let's understand the process of generating coins. To install the browser on your mobile, you can download it from the Apple Store, like App Store or Play Store. For Windows, laptops or MacBooks, you can visit geosphere.com and download the Geosphere browser. Let's see how to do this. Go to Play Store and search for Geosphere and install it. It will ask if you want to set it as a default browser. That's up to you. Once you sign in, you'll start earning coin every time you browse. Isn't that great, huh? You might wonder what Reliance gained from this since you're not paying anything for browsing. Understand, Google Chrome is the most popular browser. So businesses pay for Google search ads, which help Google a lots of money. If Geo browser turns popular, Geo might bring their own search engine also, which may give Geo the same massive earning which Google is earning from search ads. GeoCoin is based on blockchain technology, the Polygon blockchain. Polygon is the same blockchain behind the popular coin Matic. So apart from Geosphere, you can also earn coins by using other geo platforms. Announcement with respect to the same is yet not been made, may come later or sooner. I read a post on X, which is a Twitter, like by one of the most prominent figure in the crypto market, who mentioned that Geosphere is linked to the blockchain. That is why I believe most coin will be generated through the Geosphere browser. Well, for now, GeoCoin is being headed by Mukesh Ambani's elder son, Akash Ambani. So let's see what the future holds for it. Share this video with as many people as possible so everyone can benefit from earning these free coins. Well, before you heads out, I've got something exciting to share. If you haven't seen my previous video yet, check it out. I talked about an awesome project called Doggo Metaverse Coin. They're offering 500 free coins just for signing up with the referral, so don't miss out. The sign up link is there in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.